OnePlus is introducing its new smartphone series. It comes in 3 shades: Chasing Light Silver, Lone Black, and Wilderness Green. Camera setup will be 50 megapixel wide main sensor. The phone will feature the largest battery ever on a OnePlus phone. Date will be 9000 mAh. Phone will run on Android 16 operating system. RAM will be 16 GB and storage will be 512 GB. It features an OLED touchscreen display and 165 Hz refresh rate, 1.5K resolution. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.